Hi, this is Ryan Cook of Cook & Company Certified Public Accountants. We're a CPA firm in Clinton, Missouri, and we focus on helping people solve problems and minimize taxes. This segment is going to focus on the 2017 tax reform called the Tax Cut and Jobs Act and its impact on individual taxpayers, namely the standard deduction, personal exemption. We'll also talk about a few tidbits for W-2 wage earners, as you're probably curious about a few of these changes as well. So the Tax Reform Act increases the standard deduction, reduces and eliminates several itemized deductions. It also increases the child tax credit, which we'll talk about in a future segment, and it eliminates the personal exemption. The result of these changes is that many Americans who used to itemize deductions will find that they no longer have to, which is going to simplify their tax filing significantly. So let's take a look at the new standard deductions. It's important to note that these are effective for tax years beginning January 1st, 2018, and are in fact temporary and only are effective for tax years ending 12/31/2025. So the new standard deduction for taxpayers effective January 1, 2018 are single filers at $12,000, married filers filing a joint tax return $24,000, and taxpayers filing as head of household going to have a standard deduction of $18,000. So those are significant increases to the existing standard deduction. However, the personal exemption that used to come into play, which created an exemption of about $4,050 per taxpayer claimed on your tax return, is permanently suspended. As a result, many people may see a tax increase if they itemize deductions in the past and also claim the personal exemption. Now, a few tidbits for wage earners. The 2018 withholding tables have been released by the IRS, so you should notice or begin to notice changes in the net payroll that you are receiving. If you have not noticed any changes in the net payroll of your paycheck, please check with your employer to make sure that they have the new tables available. Employers are supposed to begin using the new tables no later than February 15th of 2018. One last tidbit for W-2 wage earners is related to Form W-4. The Form W-4 is where you indicate how much withholding you would like on your paycheck. As a result of the new laws and the new tax tables, some people will think there may be a need to change the W-4. However, that is not the case. Employees do not need to complete a new Form W-4. Your existing Form W-4 is sufficient to comply with the new laws. We encourage you to reach out to us at Cook & Company or talk to your CPA to see how these changes in the personal exemption and standard deductions impact your specific tax situation to avoid any financial surprises in the future. Thank you.